Got permission denied on your own file. Read, write, and execute control everything. Read, shown as R in LSL output, controls access to information. On a file, it lets you view contents. You can cat it, open it, or copy it. On a directory, read lets you list what's inside using ls. Without read on a directory, you can't see the file names it contains. Write, shown as W, controls the ability to change things. On a file, it lets you modify contents, overwrite it, or append to it. On a directory, write controls whether you can add, remove, or rename files inside it. Here's a common gotcha. Deleting a file requires write permission on its parent directory, not on the file itself. Execute, shown as X, is the most context-sensitive of the three. On a file, it means you can run it as a program or script. Without it, the shell won't execute it, even if you can read it. On a directory, execute lets you enter it with CD and access files by their path. Without execute on a directory, CD is blocked entirely. Read views, write modifies, execute runs, and all three behave differently on files versus directories. Follow for more Linux fundamentals. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.